As you know, generating a report to your client is very important. So, right here in the backend of your website, you go to the plugin, and as you've noticed, all is updated because we perform the manual update. Now, we are going to send them a report. So, click on the report. So after you click that report, it would generate something like this interface right here. It's very nice so that you don't have to um, attach a PDF. All you do is click on the email. So once you've done that, you can actually send a message here, or you can just leave as it is. So right now, let's send that email. Now it says it's sent. So your client is going to see this in their email address. So it's going to have the name of the website and then the dates. So it would say from June 28th to July 28th because you're performing a monthly report. And then here it would list all of the software updates from um, WordPress plugins, themes, and you can see that the all-in-one and Google Drive is updated to 2.79 to 2.80. And so that's it. And your email should go from here, administration of this specific website. Let me know if you have any questions.